What is Amazon Flex? It's simple. You use your own vehicle to deliver packages for Amazon as a way of earning extra money to move you closer to your goals. Everyone needs a little side cash now and then. Many people who are interested in juggling a side gig turn to rideshare programs like Uber or Lyft in their spare time, putting their car and smartphone to good use. There is another rideshare program that not a lot of people know about, and it's called Amazon Flex. Amazon Flex is a rideshare opportunity that permits you to bring in cash by conveying to Amazon clients in your city. You play out the last mile conveyance, which implies you assist Amazon with conveying its bundles from its local places to clients. The program is as of now accessible in excess of 50 urban communities the country over and has kept on developing to new areas since it appeared in 2015. The program operates similarly to Uber, Lyft, or Postmates in that you conduct all your business through the Amazon Flex app, and can make your own schedule. The Amazon Flex app houses all of the information, directions, and schedules you need to pick up flex shifts, get delivery routes, and scan packages. How to make money with Amazon Flex. Amazon Flex pays its conveyance drivers somewhere in the range of $18 and $25 each hour. The compensation for each move is fixed, which means you make a similar sum each hour, yet the sum each square pays will fluctuate depending on your district, the hour of the day, and the number of bundles you can convey at one time. A few drivers have seen that block installments will in general increment during awful climate, around the special times of the year and in the nights. One thing that many Amazon Flex drivers like about this job is that they know exactly how much they will make before they schedule a block. This makes it different from other rideshare programs that don't guarantee income. Drivers can likewise acquire tips while conveying a few bundles on Prime Now, Amazon Fresh, and Amazon Restaurant shifts. Clients can add tips within 48 hours of their conveyances, 100% of which will be added straightforwardly to your compensation. You'll be paid double 7 days, on Tuesdays and Fridays, through the direct store. At times, Amazon will considerably offer its drivers rewards or motivations. Note one thing to remember about Amazon Flex is that you will not be considered an employee of the company, but rather an independent contractor. Thus, you will be responsible for withholding taxes on your own and will not receive any benefits from Amazon. You are also responsible for paying for gas, tolls, parking fees and wear and tear in your car. If you drive a gas guzzler or an unreliable vehicle, this job might not be right for you. How do Amazon Flex deliveries work? Delivery drivers are offered earning opportunities in the form of delivery blocks, which are typically 2 to 6 hour shifts that you can accept through your Amazon Flex app. Each shift will be focused on one of 3 types of deliveries. Amazon.com. When fulfilling the classic Amazon.com order, you'll always start at a local delivery station, as assigned on your app, then drive Amazon packages to customers for 3 to 6 hours. Prime Now or Amazon Fresh, the pickup location for both of these grocery delivery services is usually at a Prime Now delivery station near you. You can expect to deliver items to customers for 2 to 4 hours. Store orders. Sometimes, you'll be offered orders that you must pick up from a local store, instead of a delivery station. You'll still be delivering items directly to your customers for a 2 to 4 hour block. Amazon Flex driver requirements. While anybody can apply to the conveyance program, your capacity to meet Amazon Flex driver necessities is the main consideration in whether you'll be affirmed. To turn into a conveyance driver, you should be in any event 21 years of age. Have a legitimate driver's permit. Have a social security number. Own a 4 entryway fair-size car or a bigger vehicle like an SUV. Trucks should have a covered bed. Have legitimate accident protection and evidence of enrollment. Have the option to pass an individual verification. Have a financial balance to get your immediate store. Have a qualified cell phone. iPhones should be iPhone 5S or later models and run on iOS 11 or fresher. Android telephones should run on Android 6.0 or later and be in any event 2 GB with a camera, Blaze, GPS, and SIM card. Can I work for Amazon Flex full-time? Absolutely. If you want to apply for Amazon Flex and turn it into more than a side hustle, you're not alone. Many drivers have successfully worked 40-hour weeks on a consistent basis since opportunities are available every single day of the week. However, because you're not a traditional employee and other drivers can pick up available blocks before you, you're not guaranteed any amount of hours.